In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack is trying to add a new helper tool on Mac. If you've been using Slack on Mac OS and keep seeing a prompt saying that an update is ready to install, and Slack is trying to add a new helper tool, this usually comes from the version of Slack that was downloaded directly from the web. In simple terms, the app can run, but it may not have the right local permissions to update itself properly. That's why the prompt keeps coming back. The most reliable way to stop this loop is to remove that version and reinstall Slack from the Mac App Store, where updates are handled automatically by Apple's system. First, make sure Slack is fully closed. Bring the Slack app to the front, then press Command and Q on your keyboard to quit it completely. This is important because you want to stop any background update tasks before removing the app. If the helper tool prompt is still stuck on your screen, just click cancel so you can continue. Next, remove the directly downloaded version of Slack from your Mac. Open Finder, then click Applications in the sidebar on the left. Scroll until you find slack.app. Once you see it, right-click it or Control-click if needed, and choose Move to Trash. You can also use the Command and Delete shortcut if you prefer. After that, go to the trash in your dock, right-click the trash icon, and choose Empty Trash. This helps fully clear out the old app so the problematic version is no longer sitting on your system. Now install the App Store version of Slack. Open the App Store on your Mac. A quick way to do that is to press Command and Space. Type App Store and press Enter. Once it opens, click the search bar in the top left area, type Slack, and press Enter. Look for Slack for desktop from Slack Technologies, then click Get or the Download Cloud icon. Give it a moment to finish installing. This version is managed through the App Store, which is exactly what helps avoid the helper tool issue in the future. Once the installation is complete, open Slack from Launchpad or from your Applications folder. Then click Sign In and reconnect to your workspace. After that, Slack updates should happen quietly in the background through the App Store without the repeated administrator prompt. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.